17 minutes after 8 is our time here at Eyespy Radio 87.5. Malol Avalusu, Malol Fifi, Alinetu Lalatayao. It is No Cash Tuesday here at Eyespy Radio. National Mativa, Malinetang Olima. And I know, our text line has been blowing up this morning. People have been texting, welcome. Well, guys, just as promised, the man himself, we have Lisi up in the studio. Good morning, my brother. Welcome to Eyespy. It's good to have you, bro.
Thanks, brother.
Of course, here with Lisi, you guys have been here for a while now. You guys have been, you're working on some new stuff while here in Samoa.
Yeah, we're here in Samoa. So we've been here since what, Tuesday? Just almost, it's a week now.
It's a week,
Today's Tuesday. And for this first week, we've just been, seeing Samoa. So a few of my boys, few of my mates, their first time in Samoa. So
yes.
we've just been, going around Samoa and, seeing the beauty of Samoa. The white cafes and the places to go like Tosua
Ocean Trench.
Yeah. So we've been just seeing those sights and showing the boys around. But it's not my first time; it's my boys' first time. But yeah, this first week we've just been having a good time and seeing the beauty of Samoa. But this week we get back to work and we got some stuff to do over here.
Not many people know, but Lisi, you're Mangafa boy, you're Vayala boy.
Yeah, from Vayala. Yeah, that's my village and where I'm from, and yeah, proud of it all day.
I heard you went to church on Sunday. How was that?
Yeah, I went to church on Sunday. Yeah, no, it was good. It was good. Sitting in church and because the last time I was in local Vayala, it was 2016.
Yeah.
So to come back now, it was very nostalgic, and but at the same time, I was just burning because inside I knew that UFC was on and Bam Bam Tumba, so I was fighting. So yeah. So I was like, I was trying to hold it together before I can get out and watch the UFC. But it was good to be back.
But back to the some of the work that you've been putting out. Have you started filming for because you're gonna put MTV here?
Yeah. Thursday we start shooting, because it's funny. Like for those that follow Australian music, a lot of the videos are recorded in Australia, shot in Australia. So I felt like and a lot of artists are Samoan.
Yeah.
Like you got 1-4, HP Boys, Hooligan Hefts, there's a lot of artists. If I name all the Samoans in the Australian music scene right now, I can go for ages.
Yeah.
But so that just gives you an idea of how many Samoans are making music in Australia right now. But at the same time, we don't get to see them appreciate Samoa as much. So for this next song that I got coming out, it's not it's soon, but not anytime soon. Like it's not next week, but I got a song coming out in say October. And the whole point of being here, this trip, and the reason why I wanted to shoot this music video is because I wanted to show the appreciation of my culture, Samoa.
That's right.
Especially on a main stage like Australia. I want to, I feel like New Zealand's done it. Like New Zealand know where Samoa is, and a lot of artists from New Zealand they've done videos in Samoa. You got plenty of artists that have come to Samoa to do music videos, but in Australia it's very new. This upcoming of hip hop artists, R&B artists. It only started within like 4 or 5 years ago, and so to be here and to do a music video here and also be on that mainstream platform of Australian music, I thought, it'd be perfect to showcase Samoa and where I'm from, the culture I'm from, my heritage as well,
I was watching one of your shows that you rocked over there in Australia.
Yeah.
Come with the Eyespy Kanga and the Ofolopo.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
See, I try to implement it as much as I can into my, into everything I do, and whether it's my songs or my performance. I gotta let the people of Australia and everywhere in the world know that You know, I'm Samoan, and I'm proud of that. 100%, I'm proud of that. Might not be the most Samoan guy, you know, but as long as you understand that I'm from Samoa, my heritage from Samoa, you know, as long as I carry that proud on, you know, on my back, then, you know, I'm happy. I'm happy.
That's right, guys. We got the Mangawhā boy, the Blackie S in the house, Lausuya Lisi. Remember, if you have any questions to throw at us this morning, Tasi or Tato text line, we'll be happy to answer it for you. We're just going to answer one question before we head into a song break this morning. Somebody said, Lisi, will there be any concert coming back home to Samoa?
You know what? It's funny because we came to this, we came on this break. Why? It's our break because
in a vacation, kama.
Yeah, see, we've been in Australia, New Zealand, and we've been busy all year. I'm telling you now, like proper busy.
Yeah.
But after, you know, and we thought, you know, we'll come to Samoa for a break. And we came on this break, and everyone's just asking me, "Oh, Lisi, you're gonna do a concert? You're gonna do a concert?"
Yeah.
Well, on this break, no. I'm sorry. Like we didn't come here with the intentions to do a show.
That's right.
However, seeing the response on this break of me doing a show, 2023 Samoa Lisi concert, we got to make it happen.
That's right, guys. Right here at Eyespy Radio with Lausuya Lisi. 23 minutes after 8 is our time. Let's head back into the music. Let's wait and see if those who's ready. Kama's ready to drop the mic and drop some bars. Working up to the workshop, what is something you're going to be looking forward to for our workshop that we're going to kick off tomorrow? Because some more of your team will be arriving tonight. Is that correct?
Yep. Yeah. So I think it'll be a good, a good experience. Not only for participants, but also myself and also that are alongside me. Just to spread some knowledge, because speaking from my point of view as an artist in Australia, you go look at Australian music, a lot of Samoans. I know a lot of people over here that understand too, is like a lot of Samoans that are over in Australia making music right now.
Yeah.
But you see where we're all from, and it's like this small island. And they there's not much, or there's music coming out from here, but not as much as there should be compared to Australia. In Australia, we're
a lot of opportunities.
Exactly. Not only that, but we're a minority.
Yeah.
Like Samoan, you go to New Zealand and Samoans everywhere.
Exactly.
But in Australia, Samoans is being Samoan is not something that's common. So I feel like it's good to spread the knowledge that we have in Australia. Here in Samoa, so just to give that hope and give that that bit of faith for young artists to come out and start making music, maybe even move to Australia and start making music. There's a lot of opportunity there, a lot of resource. So yeah, I'm excited to spread that knowledge and for those whatever they're doing in their path, whether it's DJing, management, producing or DJing, shooting videos, whatever they're doing in their area. I'll be, we're all just from Australia, a bigger country, but at the end of the day, we all just want to help our fellow Samoans come up and do their thing.
One of the questions that our team have been sending in is, Lisi, where do you get your inspiration from when creating music?
Look, I've loved rapping since I was young, so I had inspiration to start rapping, but once I got, so it's like, say for instance, it's like learning how to play rugby.
Yeah.
Someone will teach you how to play rugby, but once you learn how to play rugby, then you take it for yourself. You know what I mean?
Step.
Yeah. And then you start playing and you start doing these things that, no one have to teach you and stuff like that. So I'll say people inspired me to start rapping, but when it comes to inspiration to make music, I already have that myself. Like it comes natural. It's like ideas. If I think of an idea, I'll rap about it. To me, rap is like a escape. It's like my diary entry. You know what I mean? I talk in my raps. When I speak, I don't speak just nonsense. I speak. I try and rap, in a way that like people can relate to, but at the same time I relate at the same. Like I don't want to sound like speaking a bunch of blah blah. When I get on,
keep it real.
Yeah. When I get on the truck, I just speak from my own experiences, and I hope that it reaches out to other people. So I won't say that something inspires me to make music. Myself, my own experiences,
it's the fire within us.
Yeah. My own experiences, my own stories. That's what makes me want to make music, and when that hits and that I think about it, that light bulb moment.
Yeah.
Then that's when I start writing and I get down on the beat and yeah.
That's right, guys. Whaasoa foi Lisi Lisi this morning. Are you feeling the fire? Drop some bars this morning? Solely.
It's not the morning. I'm not a freestyler in the morning, you know what I mean?
Okay, man.
I'm a freestyler on the,
in the aftertime.
on the dollars. That's right.
Gaming, whatever you say, what's up? Whatever you say, Lisi, whatever. Position make if you always it's up, man.
Sorry. I'm sorry I didn't perform this morning, but
that's okay, man.
Trust me.
That's good.
We'll get there.
A big shout out to Sleeping Giant crew tuning in right now. They said malo lava to those. So Lisi, love the freestyle this morning. Not forgetting Auntie Lisa saying, love you, Lisi, bed of roses for you. So thank you very much for joining us this morning here at Eyespy Radio. Yeah, man, it's a great honor and much love and privilege to you. So for coming here, and sharing your knowledge, and super excited for the work we're going to do tomorrow with you and your team. But any final words to the listeners?
Yes. Thanks for, letting me on the radio station. And, I've got more music coming out soon. Doing a music video here in Samoa. And I hope you're ready to see that one coming out soon. It'll be in October. And, just going to enjoy my time here in the motherland. Samoa, 685 to the death. That's right.
Let's go.
Eyespy Radio, mixing it up.